everyone, it's Kevin here. Welcome back to the channel. Sunday evening, Toronto Pearson Airport over at Hertz. Just want to give you guys a quick update. I have a feeling there's going to be a lot of Model 3s here. Thanks everyone for subscribing. Just for the new viewers, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and click that like button. And let's start off with some of these Tesla upgrades here. All right, we got a full house of Tesla upgrades here. Premier upgrade selection here. I'm counting 4. That's not even the ones in reserve. These are all brand new. You can choose your own color. So we got 2 black ones, a gray one. That one's got the brighter rims on it. And then we got this nice burgundy with the darker wheels on it. These are all premium upgrades. You don't have to pop in and ask them what they're charging for these. Let's jump over to President Circle here. Again, a Sunday evening, so a lot of cars are still in returns. We got a Chevy Equinox, a couple RAV4s, and 3 RAV4s in President Circle. 5-star, there's just one car. I think it looks like a Honda Civic. Yep, Honda Civic over here. Newer license plates, so that might actually be fairly new. Although it's, not sure the trim level, looks like it's got hubcaps on it. And reserve, we got a larger Toyota SUV. And we got that Palisade here. Oh boy, here come all the Model 3s. Man, it's great to see all of these. Okay, you guys, maybe I should have a prize, whoever counts how many they have here. Anyway, and we got a 5-liter Mustang in between. Another one of these blue ones down here. Again, Sunday evening, so not as many cars. Most of the cars are coming back. This might be a S90, is it? This has got to be an S90 based on the size. This Volvo looks really nice. Oh, it is just an S60. B5, S60, B5, sunroof. Very nice.